In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TradeStation Matrix. If you've ever wanted a fast, visual way to place trades directly from a price ladder, the Matrix is your go-to tool. We'll walk through opening it, entering a symbol, adjusting your order settings, and placing orders with a simple click, all while keeping things clear and practical. Start by opening TradeStation Desktop. On the main toolbar, look for Apps or Trading Apps. Click that, then choose Matrix from the list. The matrix will open as a depth of market style window, showing a central price ladder with bid prices on one side and ask prices on the other, along with your trading controls. Next, enter the symbol you want to trade in the symbol box at the top. For example, type AAPL for a widely traded stock, or ES for the E-mini S&P futures. Make sure you've got the correct instrument selected. For futures, confirm the active contract. Once the symbol is in, the ladder will populate with live prices and the current bid and ask. Before placing any order, set up the Matrix trade bar so your orders go out exactly how you intend. Choose your quantity, which represents how many shares or contracts you want to trade. Pick your order type. Market orders aim to fill immediately at the best available price. Limit orders set a maximum price you're willing to pay or a minimum you're willing to accept. And stop orders trigger only once the market hits your chosen stop price. Set the duration today if you want the order to cancel at the end of the session, or GTC if you want it to remain active until it's filled or you cancel it. Finally, double-check that the correct account is selected. This is crucial. Always verify you're trading in the right account before you send anything. With that in place, you're ready to use point-and-click trading. To buy, click a price level in the bid column. This targets the buyer's side and sends your buy order at that price level based on the order type and quantity you set. To sell or short, click a price level in the ask column. That's the seller's side, and your order will reflect your selected settings. Depending on your preferences, you may see a confirmation window. Review it carefully, then send the order. Watch the ladder for immediate feedback on working, filled, or canceled status. That's the core workflow. Open Matrix, enter a symbol, set your order parameters, and click directly on the ladder to buy or sell. Practice on a simulated account if available. Start small and always confirm your settings before you click.